In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write text in Canva. If you've ever opened a design in Canva and felt like your text was hard to place, tricky to format, or just not sitting right with the rest of your layout, don't worry. Canva makes the process very simple once you know where the main tools are and how to use them efficiently. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to open a design, add a text box quickly, type your message, format it clearly, and then export your finished design. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once Canva loads and you're on the home dashboard, look to the top right area and click Create a Design. This is where you'll start a new project and choose the format that best matches what you're making. After clicking that button, a drop-down menu will appear with different design sizes and presets. Choose the layout that fits your project. For example, you might select presentation if you want a widescreen canvas, or Instagram post in portrait format if you're designing for mobile-friendly social media. Once the blank canvas opens, head up to the top menu, click File, then go to View Settings and turn on Show Margins. This gives you visual boundaries, which is especially helpful for keeping text neatly positioned and away from the edges. Now let's add text in the fastest way possible. Make sure your canvas is selected, then press the T key on your keyboard once. Canva will instantly create a text box in the center of your design. This shortcut saves time and is one of the easiest ways to start working with text. As soon as the text box appears, the placeholder text will already be highlighted. Just start typing, and your own words will replace it immediately. If you want to make changes later, simply double-click inside the text box to place your cursor exactly where you need it. From there, you can edit the wording, add line breaks, or fine-tune your message. Once your text is in place, you can style it using the toolbar at the top of the screen. First, highlight your text. Then choose a font from the font drop-down. Clean and readable options like League Spartan, Montserrat, or Inter work well for many designs. You can also click the color tool shown as an A with a color bar underneath to change the text color. If you already have a brand color, this is where you would apply it. To resize the text, drag the corner handles evenly so the proportions stay balanced. Before exporting, move your text around the canvas and watch for Canva's alignment guides. These help you snap everything into a clean position. When you're ready, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for sharp digital results or PDF